Iran's President Ahmadinejad says a new Middle East without the presence of the U.S. and Israel will soon be established.
ملت‌های منطقه پیشاپیش اونها ملت ایران از برنامه‌های استعماری و استکباری آمریکا و متحدان او و همینطور از وجود رژیم صهیونیستی ناراضی‌اند، با اون مخالفت خواهند کرد و تا برچیده شدن سلطه آمریکا و رژیم صهیونیستی از منطقه به مبارزه ادامه خواهند داد.
Ahmadinejad says the U.S. and its allies created Israel to dominate the region, but he says regional nations have become aware and that Tel Aviv regime is now nearing its end. Ahmadinejad said the U.S. and its allies have hatched a new plot to sow discord in the region to save Israel. The Iranian president said the new plot includes creating conflict and division between Shia and Sunni Muslims in the region. Ahmadinejad said Westerners are also planning to give all occupied territories to Israel and give a part of Jordan to Palestinians. But he said regional countries are vigilant in the face of such plots and will never recognize Israel.